This is problem number 5 from section 3.1. In this problem, they want you to use the vertex formula to find the vertex of the following function. Find the intervals where f is increasing and where f is decreasing. Well, if you remember from our first few problems, once we find the vertex, we're going to look at the leading coefficient, which we see as positive, and then we can make a determination on which side is increasing, which side is decreasing based on the vertex. So let's start with the vertex formula. They want us to start by doing negative b over 2a. I'm going to write that here. So we're going to say negative b over 2a is negative 12 all over 2 times a, which is 2. So we end up with 12 over 4, which is 3. So 3 is the first part of my coordinate, right? 3 is this part here. They say now take f of negative b over 2a. Well, negative b over 2a is the number that we got here, which is 3. So we're going to have f of 3 being this portion right here. So we need to evaluate f of 3. f of 3 is 3 plugged into the original function. So we have 2 times 3 squared minus 12 times 3 plus 15. So we go ahead and evaluate that. That's 9 times 2, which is 18, minus 36 plus 15. This gives you negative 18 plus 15 is negative 3. So our vertex is 3 comma negative 3. Now, that's part A. Part B, then, they want us to say when it's increasing and decreasing. So our leading coefficient, we need to write that out there. I'm going to call it LC. Leading coefficient is 2, which is positive. What does it mean to have a positive leading coefficient? That means our parabola looks like this, upwards facing. So our vertex is here. And this we know is 3 comma negative 3 in our problem. So it's decreasing to the left of 3 and increasing to the right of 3. So it's decreasing from negative infinity to 3. And it's increasing to the right of it, which is 3 to infinity. Now make sure we're specific. These are talking about x values. So I'm going to kind of write that underneath. This is x values. And that's how you find the vertex using the vertex formula and tell whether or not something is increasing or decreasing.